At Hawthorn, we highly recommend the use of Provia entry door systems. And one of the things that we're not shy about is that Provia is one of the more expensive choices. The reason we like Provia is they use all composite jambs. All of their doors are insulated in the slab itself. So whether you pick a steel door or fiberglass door, there's extra insulation. They offer multi-point locking systems and a really nice variety of customization options. So whether it's the door style, glass options, grid patterns, colors, you can do stain finishes on the fiberglass. You can really customize that door with Provia. And what I love about Provia is that it's like opening and closing a vault door. And so I think so many people are used to their new construction, kind of Home Depot style doors that just sort of open and close okay. There's a noticeable difference with a Provia. It feels like you're opening and closing a vault door. And they're also tested to open and close thousands of times without needing adjustment. So you can truly feel the quality in them when they're in. And so yes, they are a little more expensive than going to, say, a big box store and picking up a door, but the return on that investment for longevity and how well it holds up is second to none with Provia. So one of the things that's really nice about Provia doors, although they're a little more expensive than some of the other brands, they do offer a lifetime warranty on their doors. And so I think that shows, it's a testament to how well they're built, and it's also transferable. So again, the front door is the first thing people see when they walk up to your house and through into your house. When you go to sell your house, that lifetime warranty is transferable. So I think that's a really good little sales piece when you go to sell your home as well, having that new beautiful front door and then also being able to transfer that warranty to the next owner.